It's going to have to be unscripted without teleprompters, and where he's going to have to be able to bob and weave and answer the questions of whoever is talking to him. I agree with Chris Coons. That's the only way that they're going to get Joe Biden out of the mess that he is in. They've got to show that he can walk and chew gum at the same time. They're going to have to. So last night when I saw before he came out, and I saw the setup, and they had the two teleprompters there, and I thought, all right, well, maybe they're going to wean him off of that. But the two teleprompters were there, one on the left, one on the right, and because he can read that teleprompter, I keep telling you that. He does a fine job. He stumbles a little bit because of his speech impediment, but basically he can do teleprompters. So last night there were the teleprompters, and I was disappointed. And I thought, oh, all right, they're not going to have him jump in the deep end of the pool right away, but they're going to have to. They're going to have him jump in the deep end. And last night they weren't ready for that. They had him with the teleprompters, and he gave his speech about the Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity. I'll get to that in just a second. One more thing about the technical setup. They had the two teleprompters set up because that's what you do when you're addressing a rally. That's what you're doing if you're on a stage at a theater, where you've got an audience. You put a prompter on the right and a prompter on the left, so you can look left, you can look right, everything looks fine. But last night, that called for not two teleprompters. They should have gotten rid of those and put one right in front of the camera for him to look into the camera and say, this is what I believe, this is how I feel about this topic of immunity. But instead, he kept looking to the left and looking to the right, and there's nobody there. So I don't know if it caught my eye only because I worked in television for too long. But I thought, boy, they just don't get, his staff doesn't get it. They have to get him out there and have him do more freewheeling stuff. The other thing that did not happen, they had some of the White House press corps was there. I don't know how many, but it was very limited. And he should have taken questions. I know what the questions would have been, and he wouldn't have liked to answer them, but he should have taken questions. If he wants to move on beyond Thursday night, he's going to have no teleprompter, and he's going to have to take questions. Otherwise, nobody's going to have the confidence that he's okay. I will tell you, there are some newsies today. It's starting to build about what to do about Joe Biden, and not in a good way. For example, today, Nancy Pelosi and Jim Clyburn, the man who made it possible for Joe Biden to be elected. Remember that? You went to South Carolina, won the South Carolina primaries in 2020, and it was off to the races after that. Before that, he was losing big. So Clyburn is really important to Biden and his future. But both Nancy Pelosi and Jim Clyburn said it is fair to raise concerns about Biden's fitness. They did. Nancy Pelosi and Jim Clyburn. Pelosi said, I think it's a legitimate question to say, is this an episode or is this a condition? Saying that the question should be asked of both Joe Biden and Donald Trump. In a separate interview on MSNBC shortly thereafter, Clyburn echoed that it's reasonable to wonder whether Biden's performance is a signal of a larger medical issue. He said, I'll have to wait on the experts in medicine to give their opinion. But I'm not a doctor, so I had no idea to the extent at which all of this may have occurred. He said he has a phone call right there.
How'd it go?
Okay, I mean,
What happened?
oh no, he just wanted to go to McDonald's, so right by what, yeah, across from Target. Oh god, that's,
Target where?
no, the McDonald's,
In Napa?
no, right up the street, right where, I guess there used to be like a dollar type store, now it's some random place,
Where at?
right by North Texas, right by Target.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, no, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, no, it's been, look, yeah, it just started to get warm up there, a little humid. Oh yeah, not much, I mean, oh yeah, even up there was pretty bad at times, but, oh yeah, oh. I keep slipping off. Oh yeah, no, just. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh. There. Yeah, no. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah.
Recognizing that, unlike Trump, President Biden's first commitment has always been to our country, not himself. I am
where's my camera?
a difficult decision to withdraw. I respectfully call on him to do so.
Hi, babe.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah.
Guys, stay cool.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, it's a little too warm. This thing. There we go. More or less. Oh, shut up, fucking asshole. I don't like you anyway. Oh.